this is Leslie. Thank you for watching. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you are not yet a subscriber, please do consider clicking that subscribe button below. I have a Kidbox unboxing for my 5-year-old daughter. Here we go, Kidbox right here, Kidbox. And we already opened it, clearly, obviously. But we have the summer 2018 Kidbox for her. She is a size 6. Now, I loved this Kidbox. I just did the Kid Pick unboxing, so if you did not catch that, go ahead and catch that. But this is for Kidbox, so I really enjoyed what was in this one. We are definitely keeping this whole box. Let me show you what we got in the Kidbox. So yeah, here are the prices and everything. I thought everything was super cute. We're definitely, like I said, keeping it all. Now, first of all, there was a free gift of this tote. Kidbox Club, established 2017. It's like a kind of a thin tote bag that you can use as a mom. I don't know if kids would be interested in using this, but as a mom, you could definitely use that for something. And here, of course, are the stickers and the crayons and the return label and all of that stuff. So, yeah. Right. Number 1, we got this pair of shorts. Now, these things are so cute. I love the pattern on them. They're like really, really soft, flowy fabric, very breathable. These are by Lausanne. Girls print short in neon, and the Kidbox price is $27. Now, if I was to keep this by itself and just pay for this, it's $27. Okay. Yes. But those are cute. Those are very, very unique. I've never seen anything like those. Now, this is by Urban Smalls. It says mermaid at heart with like the heart shape and like the scales on the heart. So cute. Mermaid at heart. Now, this is $18. $18 just by itself. All right. Oh, no. I'm reading these prices wrong. Okay. Now, the shorts were $38. The Kidbox price is $27. Okay, there we go. The retail $38, Kidbox price $27. So let me get it right. This is retail $24, Kidbox price $18. Next, this is by French Toast. Girls Lace Detailed Tee in pink. Oh, I like the ruffle at the bottom. I didn't even notice that. And the lace at the sleeve. It's very, very cute, very pretty. So the retail price is $12, Kidbox price is $9. So not bad, $9. Okay, next we have 7 for All Mankind, and I love it when I get 7 for All Mankind from Kidbox. Now, we got a pair of cutoff shorts last year from 7 for All Mankind, and they worked wonderfully. We've got another pair of cutoff. These are the girls roll cuff shorts. Retail price $35, Kidbox price $27. And those are just darling. They are, of course, very short, but I like them. I like the roll-up detail. These fit very well on my daughter. Next, we have Design History Girls Sleeveless Embroidered Dress. And this is normally retail $40, Kidbox price $30. Okay, $40, Kidbox price $30. So nice. That's, you know, that's decent. And then we have this one. This is from Frenchie Mini Couture Girls flutter sleeve. I love the sleeve on this. Look at that flutter sleeve with the purples. This is retail price $25, Kidbox price $19. So lots of stuff you can mix and match and put together. I like that. And then this one was a set by Jessica Simpson. It's a 2-piece set that comes together, that in its $39.50, Kidbox price $30. So it has like the it's sleeveless with a button in the back, kind of flutter top with an elephant with like flowers over the elephant. And here's Jessica Simpson, you guys, for you. So that is supposed to go with these fluttery shorts with the tassels on the side. And it's just got like this boho feel to it. I love it. I love it. I love the kind of delicate pastel-y color and how the two of them go together. This is a very, very classy set, I think. The retail total is $213.50, but the full box price, like the Kidbox price, is $98. So you only pay $98. Normally it would be $213.50. So you save $115.50 on this box. Plus, if you buy the whole box, you get to donate a box to a child in need, which is something else that I love about Kidbox. When you buy the whole box, you are also giving to somebody else in need. So it's like, I don't know. To me, it's such a no-brainer to buy the whole box with Kidbox, because it just makes financial sense and it makes philanthropic sense, if I said that word right. Yeah. So let me know what it is you liked. Would you have gotten the whole box? Did you get something similar in your Kidbox for summer 2018? And if you have not tried Kidbox yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and find that link below. So on top of paying only $98 for all of the items, you will get an additional additional $25 off. So you only pay like 70 something for your first box. So go ahead and find that link below. Start your first Kidbox subscription through that link. And, you know, win-win. If you don't like anything, you get to send it all back and you don't have to actually pay a dime. All right, thank you for watching this Kidbox unboxing 2018 for the summer. Go ahead and find that link below so you can start your first Kidbox subscription, or you get your first box at a discount. And yes, that is all. Thank you for watching. Please do click that subscribe button below. I love to do unboxings of all kinds of different, you know, Stitch Fix, Nadine West, Kidbox, Kid Pick, Rockets of Awesome. Anyway, take care and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay? Bye-bye.